Hey guys, Dan here from Funded Trader Academy with my trade of the week. So let's break down this 14-point trade off of a bearish trap setup from this Tuesday, March 10th during the New York morning session on the S&P 500. So this setup was framed off of a fake move to the downside, taking out a key level shortly after the open, trapping up some retail traders, reversing and rallying. Okay, so we're going to look at this setup from start to finish, look through some of the details here on the order flow footprint powered by NinjaTrader, and we're going to see the specific details of what triggered this trade. So let's get into it. Before we dial into the specifics here, let's provide a little bit of broader market context using the volume profile. So if you go back a few days, you can see we're coming off of this downslide here. Monday was a big relief rally kind of a day. Price popped up and created this upper volume node here, right here. Okay, so as price was coming up, we reclaimed a key psychological level, or we retested a psychological level here at 6,800, right? Failed it right at the close. Overnight session consolidated. London session popped back up. So we have a little bit of consolidation up at the top, right? Top of the weekly range. A little bit below Friday's high. Okay, so a couple things I'm looking for off the open here. I rewound this back to the open to show you what it is I'm looking for before the bell even rings. So a couple different scenarios that I like to map out beforehand. The very first one, I'd like to see price come on up here. If the price off the open surges, I'd like to see price come on up here, give me some failure signatures, and rotate back downhill. That was scenario number one. Scenario number two, to the upside, is price breaks through here, holds, and then offers me an extension back up to the upside. Okay, that'd be the breakout scenario. Okay, to the downside, what I'd like to see in this bullish market, I'd like to see primarily, I would like to see price come on down here, fail, and rotate back on up to the upside. Okay, that's the ideal situation that I would like to see in this particular setup. Okay, if that fails to materialize and instead we push through here, we hold, I would look for that sell side extension back to the downside. Okay, so those are the primary four scenarios I'm looking at coming into this session here. So let's walk through this trade. Here's your opening candle right here. Okay, price pops up, attempts to reclaim that 6,800 psychological level, fails, and you have this nice push to the downside. However, if you examine this move to the downside, you will see you have red candle after red candle, yet you have a whole bunch of aggression in buyers to the downside. So what do you have? You have price going down, you have delta going up, you have a divergence. This, to me, when I see this coming off the open or anywhere in a nice trend like this, I notate that as a potential fake move. Okay, so price comes on down here. We have one final push, a little blow off bottom here, where we end up trapping up some late breaking retailers down here. You can see them on the wicks. Aggressive sellers here, flushed. Aggressive sellers here, flushed. Aggressive sellers here and here, all flushed. Okay, so you see those at the bottom. We did fail to take out this 67, 62 level, which I would have preferred. But as price is coming down, I notate this as a fake move. We took out this London session low here at 67.86 and induced a sell-off move off of this candle right here. Then you see price solidify. Okay, you see this shift in control start to emerge. Okay, negative 794, negative 638, and then he flips to bullish aggression, right? 677, 1024, failure wick, traps. And we start to rotate back up the chain, and we reclaimed that London low with a little bit of horsepower between these three candles, right? So now I look for that extension, that break of structure off of this candle high, and a reclaim of VWAP, okay? And I'm looking for price to deliver back up here, okay? That's all I'm really looking for on this particular instance of a trade, okay? So what do we get? Price breaks through or pokes through, opens up the new candle, fails it a little bit, then opens up the new candle. That bullish energy just carries right on, catches me on the way up with a buy stop sitting right here at candle high, catches me on the way up, and then we have that final extension push for a nice 14-point base hit of a trade. Okay. Okay, so let's recap here. This was my trade of the week. This one was a very simple trade. It was induced, or it was triggered off of a fake move to the downside, taking out a key level, reclaiming that key level in a failed breakdown type of pattern, reclaimed, and we also saw a nice change in control from aggressive move down, aggressive selling to aggressive buying, bottoming out with traps, okay? Once we reclaim, look for that break of structure, back to the upside, to your nearest swing high target, which was right here, okay? That was my trade. Hope that was helpful. We'll see you again.
Hey everyone, it's Dale here. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like to trade alongside me and our team of prop firm funded traders every day, then click the link below the video and hop aboard. We are looking forward to trading with you.